think it's this.
Watermelon?
Watermelon here. Look at that.
Holy crap. There's a box underneath it that's like... Or is that a board?
That's a board. That's sitting on a board.
Yep. So if they have to come down here for anything, and if they're sensitive, and then hear a whistle.
Yeah.
It's a creepy enough place, but if that's all the only offense they have, then I think we done figured that out already. That was...
Can you stomp on that step again? Use that boot of yours or your foot. Did you stomp your foot?
Did you just stomp your foot in demonstration? Randy, did you just stomp your foot?
I didn't stomp my foot.
Okay, no. Because I just heard something else. You're doing really well at making the stomping sounds. Could you do another stomping sound for us? Okay.
That was like 2 or 3.
I wonder if they're walking around upstairs. I'd really...
Like right above us?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.